ingredient here. Wait, Marcelo, wait. We have to tell your friends what are we going to do. What are we going to do, Marcelo?
Okay.
Yes, but wait. You need something special that Mommy has for you. Look. Oh.
Wow.
Today is time to bake.
That's so
now.
cool.
Oh, yes, it's okay.
That's a chef hat.
And it's gonna be a special cake because it's
Wow,
going to
look.
have many
And your-
colors. Whoop, bless you.
Your apron.
Okay, so now.
I see.
Yes. Okay, so we're going to bake a cake, right?
Yes.
Yes. So, yes, but wait. First, we have to add all the ingredients here in a bowl. So we need a bowl. What else do we need, Marcelo? What are those? We need 3 eggs. Very good. We need a cake mix. So it's ready. We need
A spoon.
Look, yeah, we need a spoon. Also, we need 1 cup of water. Yes, and a half a cup of oil. Wait. So first, also we need, what are those, Marcelo? Food colorings. Yeah, boy. Food colorings, yes. And butter. Okay. So first, we're going to look. We're going to put all the cake mix here inside the big bowl. Yoo-hoo! Yummy?
Do you like it, Marcelo? Is it good?
Now the eggs. Whoop. The eggs. See? 3 eggs.
You can use the blender for that, Marcelo.
Yeah. So we have to wait, okay? Now you're going to add, wait, I'm gonna give it to you. You're going to add the oil. Whoop. Very good. And the last one. Now let's add the water. Whoop. Whoop. Good job, Marcelo. Very good. Good. Okay. Now we're going to mix. But not with this one because then we're gonna be here like 2 hours. Yes. So turn on. Remember that Mommy and Daddy have to help you. Yeah.
Wow. You see, that's cool,
Very
Marcelo.
Good job.
Marcelo the chef.
Try the cake. Okay, I think we're ready? Yes. So, we're going to add the food coloring. Then we're going to see what happened with this cake. You want to try? Okay, wait. Let me finish here. Marcelo loves this part. You want to try? Oh, okay, wait. Let me help you. It's good?
Is it good, Marcelo? Yeah, Marcelo loves.
Okay, now we have to put the cake mix in small bowls, okay? In small bowls. If you want 5 colors, so you're gonna use 5 small bowls. If you want just 3, let me put it here and then you can take more, okay? So we're going to add here. See? Now we need another one here. Wait. No, that's not for you.
Red.
See, look. No, don't do that. No.
Oh, you got too many, Marcelo.
See? Okay, we're gonna add red. Mommy's gonna add and you're gonna mix, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay, Marcelo is going to mix. Mix the color, Marcelo. Oh, you wanna try? Look! Now we have red cake. See? We're gonna have red cake. Now, oh! You wanna try? Okay, I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drops of color yellow, and you have to mix, Marcelo. You want to mix? Good job.
Wow.
Mix. It's going to be colored yellow. We're gonna have a cake with many colors. Love it. You want to put the drops of color blue? Okay, look. Oh my God. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's stop. Oh my God. Here. Mix. Mommy's gonna finish here with the green, with the yellow. Whoa! Blue.
Wow.
Yes, good one. But oh, your mouth can be blue. It's gonna be so yummy with this cake. We need color green. Look, we need color green.
Put some drops on it.
So okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. 5? No. Okay, mix. Now I'm gonna finish here with the blue. And Marcelo is gonna mix the green. Oh, be careful inside. Oh my goodness.
You're gonna have a stomach in, Marcelo.
You don't really-
Like Hulk?
Okay, and the last one. Okay, purple. I don't know, it's gonna be purple. You know what? No, that's not purple, that's blue. Okay, mix this one. Let's see. We're gonna have color purple. Mix. Mix red and blue. And okay. Oh, purple is coming. Yeah, mix. That's black. Okay, so we're ready, Marcelo. Look, now what do we have to do? We're going to put a little bit of butter here in the pan, okay? And then we're going to add. We're going to add here like this. Here. add butter. Okay, add some butter. And then we're going to add, really careful, all the colors, okay? One by one. Very good, Marcelo. I think we're ready. So, what color do you want first? Yellow? Okay, we're gonna add yellow. So, let's add yellow, Marcelo. Here, look. Help mommy, Marcelo. Help mommy. Add yellow. Yes. Now, color red. Okay? We're going to add color red. What color is this, Marcelo? Yeah. Are you sad? You're sad, Marcelo?
No.
Oh, you're happy? Are you excited? You want to eat this cake? Okay, now, color green, Marcelo. Oh, who's color green? Who's color green?
Oh.
Okay, color green. So you have to add really careful. Right, Marcelo?
Really slow.
Slowly.
Look.
Do you have to do it fast? No. You have to be careful. Okay. And can you hold me? And Mommy's gonna do it. Thank you, Marcelo. Hold it, Marcelo. Two hands. Thank you. Here, can you help mommy? Can you help mommy? Like this? Like this? Be careful. Thank you so much. Go, 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 go. Look. Goes down. Color blue. So look. Ta-da! So now we have to go and put this. Look, Marcelo! Oh, I'm gonna close my eyes because I want to see what happened with the K, okay? 1, 2, and 3. Wow! Red, purple, blue. My God, all the colors here in our cake.
That's so
High five,
cool.
Marcelo. We need to clap. Yes, you want to try? Okay. You want to do it? Like this? Whoa! Whoa! A big piece of cake. Now here, like this, like this. Oh my God.
Hey! Hey, that's a big cut, Marcelo.
Okay, let's do this. A triangle for Marcelo. Let's see, let's see.
Wow, look at all the colors in the cake.
Look. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's
You
so
wanna try?
nice. You want a piece?
1, 2, 3, let's see. Tell me, it's good or not? Oh, okay, I'm gonna try later, okay? It's good? Yeah, high five. High five, Marcelo. High five.
It's jello
yummy.
down.
I wanna try. So, that was our colorful cake. Cake with many colors. You can put all the colors you want, okay? So, we're going to say, look, Marcelo. Subscribe, subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Like.
Subscribe there.
Yes, look. Our yummy and colorful cake.